what's going on? It's Steve with Dean's Home Services. I got the vintage Dean's Plumbing shirt on, so that's cool. It's sump pump season. It's gonna start raining more. Like a sump pump works where it like sucks water out of your basement and then out of your house. So that means it's kind of like a water cannon, right?
Here's the plan. I have a clear tub. I'm gonna put water into it, then I'm gonna put in the sump pump. I have a PVC pipe that I'll attach to the sump pump, and I'll put the tennis ball, and boom, it'll blast out.
I'm in the warehouse right now, and I'm gonna get the supplies that I need to do this. Briggs, have you ever made or heard of a sump pump cannon before? I'm gonna make this sump pump cannon using stuff that we have here at Dean's Home Services. Okay, so we are outside of the office right now. Kelly, our HR director's here. I have the tennis ball attached to like this thing. Our first test drive of the sump pump cannon. Ready? I'm not a plumber, professional engineer in any way, but I've been told to get PVC primer and glue. Like that. One sec. Oh, I got it on my fingers. What does that mean? What do I do? I can't get them to come apart. My fingers are stuck like this forever. Time to do the sump pump cannon. So sump pump cannon was a giant failure, but hey, if you have a better idea on how to do it and how to actually make it shoot as nearly possible, then do me a favor, leave a message in the comments.
This is why anything sump pump you leave to the plumbing professionals with Dean's Home Services. Worried about your sump pump? Don't have a sump pump backup? Dean's Plumbers can help you today. Find us online at calldeans.com.